Guys, my name is Joshua and I'm the new technical engineer. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be taking engineering graphics and solid media and I'll be taking inside production. So to start with, in engineering we have different types of views to build solid effects. Take this solid effects. We have So if you want to represent this block with a graphic projection, looking at it from this side, you see this as the front elevation, this as the end elevation. Depending on where you're looking at this from, it should be the right end elevation or left end elevation. Okay, it's the left end elevation. And this is the plan. So if we're going to draw this block in orthographic projection, it looks something like this. So this is our block in orthographic. This is the front elevation. This is the plan. And this is the drawing. So let's call this our orthographic front elevation, and let's call this our orthographic plan. Now, in auxiliary projection, however, we don't need the end elevation. But for the sake of this demonstration, let's look at it. This block this is what it looks like in orthographic projection. This is 3, this is 3. So, like the measurements, this is 2, this is 5, this is 3, this is 3. This is supposed to be 3 blocks. Because my angle is not very 45, this is meant to be 45. If my angle here is not very 45, it's more than 3. So, but in order to look at, if you want to look at it in auxiliary projection, however, you have to look at it as if you want to take it as a 2D object. For example, this box, you can look at it like this. Looking at it from the front, you can see this line, and this line. Let's call that line B, line A, line B. There's line C, because this is A, B, C, D. Line C is all the way at the back. If you look at it from the top, which is the plan, you can see it, but looking at it from the front, you won't be able to see it. It's because of these hidden views that we need auxiliary projection. So we want to represent this in auxiliary projection. Okay, let's take A to B. This is B. This is our B. This is our A. This is our B. This is our A. You can see these lines this one I can see it. So it will be solid. This is our A. Our B is A. It's also solid. Now this is our C. Because our C, however, is hidden, but we know it exists because we look at it from the plan and we know it exists. We write our B here. We can draw our B, C here. Our C here will be a hidden loop here. So this is what our auxiliary plan does. But in order to get this, we need to notate this. So to get our auxiliary view, let's look at this as angle 16. Of course, we're looking at this at angle 16. The lines will project from here. From this front elevation will be at 60. So that means if I were to do this on paper, I'll take my set square 60 degrees and I'll project this. So this is 60 degrees. And we project this perpendicular to the 60. Now, if you look at it like this, well, an R is here, and it's 60. This is 60. If you want to draw an angle perpendicular to 60, so that we have a 90 degree angle here, we'll look at another plate, and we'll draw 30 degrees. So that means the lines will project from here will be at 30 degrees. So we have this already. Now to get the graphic plan, I was here before. To get this plan, to get this here, to take our measurements from here, this is 3. We'll take our measurement, I'll put it here. And if you look at it, it's starting to look similar, but you still have one last thing to do. Now this is our B, our point B. This is our point E. This is our point C. This is our point D. And remember, our point E is hidden. It's all the way at the back. You can only see these lines. 1, 2, 3. You can only see line A, line B, and line B. But we can't see line C. It's all the way at the back. So it's been hidden. So we use dotted lines to represent it. So this is our C. And this is our first auxiliary plan. This should be our first auxiliary plan. Let's return this as H. So let's say take this measurement to be H to H prime. And let's show it here. H to H prime. It has to be shown there so that it will be known that it was this measurement. The measurement here that was copied. Okay. Similarly, we transfer these values here. So let's call this F to F prime. So we transfer these measurements here. It's about the same thing. So we just draw this. Let's call this F. Let's call this F prime. So we follow the same pattern. Follow the same pattern. This is our B. This is our A. This is our C. And this is our D. So because this is our C and it's hidden, this place will be perfect. Now that is basically what auxiliary projection shows. The hidden views that we can't see all the way, just by looking at it from a magnetographic view, it can be shown using auxiliary projection, because auxiliary projection is not an out-and-out substitution for orthography. Rather, it is a support, because auxiliary means support. It's a support to our orthographic view, so they work hand in hand. That's why we couldn't get our auxiliary view just like that. We had to pick an orthographic value. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. I will answer comments and I will know your feedback. Thank you.